Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO22 Excel Chapter 5 Prepare ProShopSales. Its project description is given here. You can read this one and understand what you need to do in this assignment. I am going to do first step now. In our first step, he is asking that start Excel download and open the file name Excel Chapter 5 Prepare ProShopSales. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save your file to the location where you are sorting the file. I have already opened this file. That's our file. I will make this one enable editing. Now we will move to our second step. In our second step, he is asking that employee at the Red Bluff Golf Club and Pro Shop have the opportunity to become certified trainer if they log enough hours. Alita would like to know which of her employees are certified. On the employee analysis worksheet, in the cell D5, enter a function that will return to the text certified if the number of the training hours completed is 50 or more. Otherwise, return to the text not certified. Autofill the function to the cell D9. So we will go to the employee analysis worksheet. That's our employee analysis worksheet. That's our cell D5. Here we need to put an if function. We will start our bracket. If credit hour is greater than or equal to 50, then our result should be value should be certified. We'll copy this and paste this one as certified, while otherwise it should be not certified. We'll copy this and paste this one as a not certified and close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our solution here. And what he is saying, copy this to the cell up to D9. So we have copied. You see which one value is less than 50, it's not certified. Which one is greater than 50, it's certified. So that's our second step. Our second step is not complete yet. Club member get a 10% discount of all items in the Pro Shop sale. Alita want to track off these discount on the transaction worksheet. So we will move to transaction worksheet. Here is the transaction worksheet. In the cell J10, enter a function that will return to 0.07 if the customer is a member, otherwise return to the blank. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down to the cell J30. So we will go to the cell J10. That's our J10 cell. We will use if function. Start our bracket. If what is in, enter a function that will return to if the customer is a member. So we will select club member is equal to yes, then the result should be 0.07, 0.07. Otherwise result should be blank. So we will and press enter. So we have got our results. We need to copy this formula up to cell J30. We will copy this up to cell J30. So we have got our results. That's our result. You see, check your formula. That's our. If it's yes, then 7% discount. If it no, then a blank value here. So that's our formula is working. That's our second step complete now. We will move to our third step. Our third step is on the transaction worksheet in the cell L10, enter a function that will return to the value 0.05 if the customer used the cash for the payment type and the gross revenue was greater than 100%. Otherwise, it's blank. So we will move to our L10 cell. That's our cell L10. We will put is equal to if, and he is asking for another function which one is if the customer use the cash for a payment type and the gross revenue. So we will use the function. And also what is our two logic? First logic is customer use cash for payment. So we will see payment type is equal to cash. We will type as a cash. And what is the other logical function? Gross revenue was greater than $100. So we will put gross revenue is greater than $100, 100, then close our bracket. What will be our result if the value is true? Our result should be 0.05 if the value is true, 0.05 if the value is true, or other value is false, it's empty cell. So we will press enter. So we have got our results, 5% discount. And what he is saying, use the fill handle to copy the formula down to the cell L30. So we will copy this formula to up to cell L30. So we have got our results. That formula is also working. That's our third step. Our fourth step is, at the end of each day, Alita would like to classify customer as either high or low value based on the number of items they have purchased or the amount of the money spent. So on the customer analysis worksheet, so we will go to the customer analysis worksheet. Here we have got customer analysis worksheet. In the cell F4, enter a formula that will return to the value high if the customer has purchased more than 12 items or if they have a total sales amount that is greater than or equal to 1000. So we will go to here, we will go to F4, we will put is equal to if, and which one formula we will use or formula also in the if. What is our first logic? If the customer has purchased more than 12 items, so we will select volume is greater than 12. What is the other logic? If the if they have total sales amount that is greater than or equal to 1000, so total sales greater than or equal to 1000, then close this bracket. The value should be value if true will be high. We will put this one value as a high, and the value if false will be low. Low. We will close our bracket and press enter. So you see we have got our value as a low because its total sale is less than 1000 and volume is also less than 12, so its value is low. And what he is saying, use the fill handle to copy the formula down to the cell F16. So we will copy this formula up to cell F16. So we have got our results where the value of volume is which one condition is go upside, it will go high, or which when both condition are go down, it will go low. So that's our fourth step. We have total 19 steps of this assignment. I have performed 4 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or if you want to deal for your complete course, yeah, you can contact me also. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.